So as you guys can see by the title, today we'll be going up to the Blue Mountains. No, the thing is, it's not going to be a hike. We'll be driving to Blue Mountain. Apparently, we're going to be taking a very adventurous route. That's a good way to put it. A route that you definitely need 4x4s to get through. My cousin called me last night, told me about what he'd be doing here, and a couple of friends would be doing. Asked if I want to come along, and of course I love 4x4s. I love off-roading vehicles, so I said yeah. So I'm just going around to meet him now. Yeah, let's see how this one goes, guys.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do.
Oh, it's Sanjay down there, so I don't know if you can see, but when we go across, so it's easier feel. Forward. Eh? Why free?
Stop.
There, bro. Morning, morning.
Yeah, man, blessings.
Don't know, say me and the Maroons are
I
apart.
don't say you know, left the Maroons then, man.
So, yes, sir, what the plan?
We'll go Mono Park now, go meet up with everybody else, and then we'll go head out from this out to Cinchona, that's up in the Bluemountains, but we'll drive through Hollywood, but we'll go on the back road. First, I'm going to go that side this time.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why we not drive this side, because
Oh.
a puppy in alone, me know.
A puppy inside, me know too.
Yeah, but them say you can drive Manor Park, Stony Hills and go around on some like trail. You see me, so 4-wheel drives only kind of
Oh,
like. So
jeez.
at that time vibes.
Supposed to be a nice little test for you, Jimny.
Yeah, bro, it'll be first time me
Really test it
take
like
a hill test.
Yeah.
You see me? And normally just more like regular road me drive. And like if a bad road on the flat.
What I want to say, because you know, so we are go up in the mountains, you figure say the road it go wet. So I want to say, oh, it's Jimny handle the wet road.
I don't know if it go wet.
It go wet. Oh. I did wonder if they have load, can be want to see how you handle the load too. Yeah, Maroon, so we just landed, and to be honest, it's a whole fleet. Oi, make sure it's down, let me down. It's a whole fleet of 4x4s. It's actually sick, real sick. Holy for it. We're waiting on one more person before we officially take the road up the Stony Hillside, as Sanjay was explaining. Then we're going to go up in the hills and find our way on the Blue Mountain from there. So we got caught in traffic. We soon not see no traffic, man.
Yeah, we soon not see no traffic at all.
Watch Brownie.
Lord. Brownie, how you reach up here, so?
Bro, the road get bad. We never expect the road to get so bad so quick.
Yo, we not drive 10 minutes, you know?
Nah.
Yo!
Mountain and stop if I see that the view there again. If you see the whole of Kingston, yeah.
Yeah, because I backside the mountain we gone for, you know. If we did that drive Poppy in,
we would have seen
the other side. hard war gap. I'm going all the way up. Oh yes, you want to reach. This is Halliwell. This is the cafe with the Halliwell. See Halliwell National Park.
Holy road that it is.
Yeah, and then we're going to probably go back around there. So.
And if it bad, so yeah, so.
Show me a hill now, man, I'm flingy Jimny up there.
So it seems like this might be the first. I don't want to say obstacle because I'm not too sitting up near.
No obstacle, man. I just like photo up.
Oh.
Yeah, so we kind of pull off a little bit. Get a little one video, one picture. But it don't look on the inside, let's have a look. Yo, the surf look big.
Surf.
It look big compared to all of the other vehicles.
Oh, I love them boy, man. Like.
Yeah, man.
UCC Blue Mountain Cafe, Rosehill Estate. Bro, I trench that in the road, bro.
Yo, yes, sir. God, you know. Still in a two-wheel drive still, so.
Kinda like them can drive for left.
So I drive for probably about half an hour now. Yeah, probably about half an hour.
We drive for about half an hour and trust me, it come like we drive through one dry up river. Pure river stone, pure ditch. Some trench in the middle of the road. Cool, man, cool. Deep in the Amazon jungle.
Is it? What do you reckon, man?
I got you, Meg.
Yo!
Bro, it nice, brother, but not like.
Yeah.
It nice.
Inside, on the right side of mud, and then on the left side
trench
is trench and stone.
Actually, like, look how we lean, bro. Like, we literally outside.
At the left side, I give me all of the traction. And then you see, because me up on regular highway tires, that are the next little downfall too.
Yeah.
But I make it through, man.
You know, first time, soon below to rig the right way.
Oh, man. God, man. All me need for the right now, I throw in a four-wheel drive.
And you go.
Morning. All me need for that, throw in a four-wheel drive and we're good. But we'll see how far we can push it in a two-wheel drive before we... Whoa! Sorry.
Bush on the quick camera.
Bush on forward with it.
It will long more come to Halliwell, but Maroons are going to carry guys to Halliwell. I always want to come and stay in one of the cabin them.
Yeah, we'll do that, man.
Yeah, definitely. So that's a future video.
Yeah, we'll camp out like probably like on a full moon night.
Jeez.
We forward like we said the full moon Friday night, forward Friday night, watch the full moon and then camp out and then forward back the Sunday.
That sound like vibes.
Have to get little way, you know, probably skid little. Nah, put it in a four. Nah, put it in a four-wheel yet. Nah, put it in a four-wheel yet, bro.
Stop at Halliwell for about 15 minutes. So, we're going to head out now. The whole off-roading adventure has been really cool though, not gonna lie. And you have all different types. You have like the massive, like the surf right there, or the Prado them. And then you have like the small Jimnys. And trust me, even though the Jimny them small, mosquito them active, even though the Jimny them small, them are all up. Bro, I must Must real sugar cane this.
Oh God, man, cane is good.
Was expensive bag of cane.
Oh God. I thought this would better cure everything when I have a going thing.
You might tell Pedro a while ago, say I probably like 1:30 so.
Will I reach?
Yeah.
Boom.
So.
Now let me come out this one.
Oh. So after a quick pit stop at Hollywell, back on the road again. Just like that, we'll lead the pack.
Just like that, we took your wrong. Go book up on some hillybillies.
Jeez.
Go book some hillybillies in a place. Smash up Ras!
Boy, we got through it.
Now you push hand through in now, man. It's a real adventure, bro.
Hey, you see to Ellie a while ago? I grow me, I look on them, look through window.
Yeah.
Grow me, I look on. Like that.
I wish me to catch that funny GoPro in the dark.
Pod them, you know.
Yeah. Wrong gear. No. My own out of commission, it not gonna work. I have a last spot that the last day was to kill you.
Feel like a true Maroon. Explore the hills, you know? Spin over. Yo, you don't see your friend. Oh, like an old coffee farm?
Yeah.
Interesting.
The whole area that we're driving to from a turn off and come over there, the bridge down is
Clydesdale.
Yeah, all of this is Clydesdale.
So there's like this old coffee farm that's here. A really dope looking building. Maroon, you know, we have to go check out what go around here. So. Oh. Should I go in there? Is it safe? Yo, Maroons. Hey, this whole adventure has been so dope. Like, I knew I liked like this kind of stuff. Why there's a modern toilet there so? But I didn't think I would enjoy it this much. I'm really enjoying it, I can't lie. And they have like, apparently they have like a Christmas tree farm here. So they have like these little Christmas trees all around the area. You guys can see the van compared to how it was this morning. That's true testimony as to some of the roads that we went through since there. It's been an epic adventure. One thing for sure, the whole drive has been so beautiful. Nature is such a beauty, especially when you see it in its aura like this, untamed, just wild. Nature is beautiful. Kind of fruit that? I could ask them, brother, you sure a fruit that?
I do not know, but see,
They have seed.
and I don't know if the funny thing is, I'm not pretty right. My subscribers don't know this about it.
Something there I eat. I'm that though.
You know what kind of fruit this is?
Peach.
Oh, peach.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Bro,
We never lost a peach grudge, I mean.
if you pick one, if you pick one carry home.
A seed.
Yeah, like that.
They like them kind of environment, cool to it.
Yeah, you know Manchester?
Raspberry
Them up
tree.
by Holywell too, you know.
Bro, may I carry one with me?
Carry one Sanjay. See a couple more over there, so, you know.
Yeah.
Go start a peach farm.
Fine, berries, you know.
Yeah?
Raspberry.
Like raspberry.
And, some other berries about the place.
Peach. I had no idea. Yeah. So Maroons, this is peach. I've never had peach. I've never seen a peach before. Bring in a tent. And one thing when you live in the hills, now have to worry about water commission.
Yeah. Like this I run before
Constantly.
we come. And we're there like about 10-15 minutes now. And the water.
Cool?
Oh man. Yo! No, I have to wash off my face now.
Facts.
What's like
Cool off. Walk go back down here, so then we're gonna just jump on back on the trail, ready for your road again. This is what I was saying, where they have the trees.
last time we went to community.
So like we really are gonna get into it now still.
Yeah man. Ready?
Ready? I first me hear Maggie disclaimer, you know, so that means into it now. Into the thick of it. You know everybody's? Remember when we go Bluemountains and we tell them, we show them one hill and say, we go back at that. They say, what? Turn back, I was so careless.
You walk.
Because we look at one mountain with cloud on top of it and I say, yo, I'm back at that way I go.
That thing is probably up a Cinchona, you know, because the light wire there so now.
Oh yeah. Down the deep, you know? Monty, you go deep, man.
Nobody can cross it. Only 4x4s.
Mount Def.
Yeah dog, that mud they smell like down a river ton, bro.
No, sir.
I don't like that fever, dog. Oh, around here so muddy. You see a difference to the four
Yeah, definitely. Because I expect it for something more than that.
We could have got through that.
Four wheel definitely make a difference.
And you realize that no skid none at all. funny stock tire them, so you can imagine when we get some bigger tire. Yo, beeping. Guys, the man guys on a beeping. You come like some police officer. Mercy, what is?
It nimble, brother.
Yeah,
just nimble.
Small, Jimny get a real test today.
There's no road.
I just saw a riverbed where you drive through.
Tell you, bro.
It feel like over goat pen, bro.
Yeah.
So you
Go
see,
down.
yeah, you see me? Now when the water run. Hold on there.
Catch you reverse. Go back.
Yeah, bring it back to really shut. Nice sensor. Mercy! Banana tree drop down. Yo, I know something fling that you know how to make one.
See, I tell me, say, all this road we go through, I banana stop it, even.
Is it me?
You have to go reverse. I banana really stop it.
Bro.
Boomba, them banana, they big still.
Yeah, man. Right thing that you do, bro. Right thing that you do. Yeah,
Come just there and say, yo, you're not past that.
Yeah, man. You know, you tell you, say, no, that pick up a banana, them, bro.
That look perfect. Wait, but all my pants dirty on my inside. I try to put out my foot in it. Yo, Sanjay, you want dirty, you know, brother? Jeez. If I'm dirty, your friend.
I can't even see the license plate, bro. I can't go working nice with this. What you mean?
Convoy.
Yeah. Hey boy, what you do?
I know the camera not capturing it, but trust me, it's absolutely breathtaking views up here.
You need 4-wheel drive.
Right, which way you want to come now? Yes, that way the easier.
Then that one.
Blue Mountain.
I don't know. I could have wished I had a mountain.
What would I think you that the panda side there?
But at this point, I don't even know, you know.
No, up. just go up top, go get some views, you know?
No, sir.
So the 208 come through first. No mud. Them take a different road.
No.
Look on the front of this Jimny. But how you find so much mud? That clean, you know? His one clean.
A helicopter carry that up also.
His one clean. Our own clean. Your own dirty.
Bro.
Look at this view. This is crazy. We have the whole convoy there. Dope. Hey, it's a crazy view, you know? Maroons, this view is ridiculous. Look at this tree. It really is. That was a heck of a drive to get here, trust me. Amazing drive. Look at I'm lost for words actually. It's really beautiful here. It's extremely beautiful. Only view I've ever seen that top. This is actually the Blue Mountain peak. Oh wow. Oh, fish in there. Really pretty. Some nice flowers there. Some more ponds. Really beautiful space. It's like you have a old coffee set up over there. Just showing you guys around to take you guys on these adventures with me. Oh! Oh! Oh my days. Oh my gosh. And to think that this place is all the way up here, hidden away. More chimney. I did not expect that the place would be this beautiful. I thought we were just going to drive up to a nice little like mountain top, get a nice view, but I didn't expect the whole garden experience. Really beautiful. This is definitely a spot that if camping is allowed. Oh, that tree, look at the size of this tree. Look at the size of this tree. Definitely the camera won't show you, but this is a massive tree. And it just seems like there's so much to explore. Like you can go around this or can go up this. So guys, these have to be like the national bike of Jamaica. Like look how far with it and you find one. Like anywhere you go you find them. It's so cool and nice here. Like let me go back around and see what the others dealing with. Get something to eat quickly and then just take in the views, enjoy this beautiful space.
Maroons, we reach.
It's a hell of a drive though.
We go up top there, so?
Yeah, and go all the way around there. So
So we can go this side.
we can go that side there.
So which part would you say the welcome to the Cinchona side down there? So
Go all the way back around. So it's a big property then.
Yeah, bro.
Look what I found. Drop it in the comments and let me know if you know what this is. Let me know if you know what this is. I'm going to pick a few. Hey, I just picked a few. Ooh. Just picked a few. Just make sure no bug not inside of them. Sweet. Whole heap of machines, guys.
Beer mud. Yeah, that's crazy. When we pull up on my apartment later, they must one day perform here, come on.
I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the fog is starting to roll in. The fog just bring a nice cool breeze. So Maroons, I've been sitting here for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Just taking in the fresh, crisp air. Definitely not city air. The nice coolness of the environment. Time of shooting this, we only have like a few days left in May, so we're entering summer. So the time is extremely hot now. So this cool, nice atmosphere is so welcomed. I'm just here taking in the views, you know, reflecting. This was definitely needed. It's funny, the clarity and the peace of mind I have right now. Like, I need more of this, more of these moments of peace. It's very important. So yeah, we're just here chilling. Not sure how long we're going to stay for. I wouldn't mind we stay whole day, but there were a few raindrops just now and it's quite a journey to go back. So I'm not sure how long we'll stay here. I know this video is a bit different from what you guys are used to. There was a lot of driving in this one. You guys might not be used to that, but if you're still here, that means you're an OG Maroon, and that means I really appreciate the support. So I think it's the perfect time to wrap up the video here while the fog rolls in. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like and subscribe if this is your first time. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about the video. Go ahead and watch any of the other videos that I have on the channel. And remember, Maroons, in every single thing that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. I'll see you guys in the next video.
I know you never gonna believe me, but me woulda find it if we keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come and let me show you why you feel like a football.
Things are only
why you feel like listen. Anything to turn in a real life fixing.
Mr. Moo, Bumbleclad!
Calm down, bro.
Honey! Don't you see people, bro? Don't you see us driving, bro? What you doing, man? Get a room, Mr.
Not touching, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing. Nothing, yeah. Nothing, yeah. I know my other body that's in a tied up. Let's tell me what is work with everybody for spoil us. And I know I'm a feel you feel it too. I've been hot in a man like a big cartoon. And I remember when you tell me say you love me. It took a minute but you really did above me. And maybe we now wait till this ugly before we give everything we have. Nothing, nothing.